how to fix camera full screen on Snapchat. So if you have the camera full screen problem, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat right here. Click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back, click on data usage. Make sure right here to enable all these network access. Go back and now click on the storage. Click on clear cache and then go back to the home page. Open the Play Store or the App Store. Search for Snapchat and update it from here. After that, what you want to do is turn off your phone and turn on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.